Hi Drastic Cuties! Today we're going to draw a panda squishmallow. So let's get started. To draw this cute panda, we're going to first start by drawing its body. So we're going to basically start by drawing a taller dumpling shape. So I'm going to start up here and I'm just going to come up with a curve at the top for the head. It's nice and even, and then I'm going to start to bring it down. So if you've been following me, it's a usual dumpling shape that I give to all my characters, but this one is just longer, taller. So I'm just going to bring this down. So it's all up to you how tall you want this to be, how fat or skinny, it's all up to you. So I'm just going to go slowly, build it up, and about right there I'm going to start to bring it in. And round it off towards the bottom because it is a nice soft pillow. And about right there I'll start to connect it. There, so I have the basic shape of my pillow in here for the panda. And then now from there, let's come in here and bring it to life. So I'm going to start in the center. So come a little, give it a little bit forehead, come towards the bottom right here in the center, and we're going to draw a little oval for the nose right in the center. And then let's add the mouth. So right in the center right here, come straight down and curve it out. And cap it off, and same thing on this side. Then from there, we're going to draw the panda, the eye patch. So in this area right here, we're just going to draw an oval at a slant. So I like to come right close to the nose right here and start right here with my oval. So I'm just going to go all the way around. This shape is all up to you. However you want to make your eye patch. Okay, so it's kind of like an oval as slant. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So I'm going to start right here. That way it's just easier for me to make sure that it's pretty even on both sides. And I'm just going to go up. I'm going to drag a point across just so I know approximately how tall my other side is. Get to my point, and then from there I'm going to go ahead towards the edge and just connect it. So I'm going to drag a point across the bottom, so about right here, just so I know it's not too far off. There, so I got my two eye patches in. Then from there we're going to come in here and draw a circle for the eyes. So right here towards this side right here, towards the edge, just draw a circle. So depending on how big your eye patch is, that will determine how big your eyes are. There, so I have two circles in there. Now let's make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two smaller circles for highlights at an angle and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. So if you love Squishmallows like I do, please make sure to check out my Squishmallow playlist for all the drawings I've done for these cute pillows so far. And I definitely plan to draw more because they're all so cute. So same thing on this side. And a curve. And shade in the top. One of these days when I'm brave enough to be in front of the camera, I'm going to show you all the Squishmallows I have. Okay, so there, I got the eyes in, finally. So if you're drawing a black and white panda, you can go ahead and color the nose black. But I'm going to make mine the blue one. So I'm just going to leave it white for now. So then from there, let's come up here and draw the ears. So about right here in this area, I'm going to start to draw panda's ear. So it's just basically a curve that comes all the way around. And let's drag some points across. just so we know about pretty much even. And then from there, same thing, just a curve that comes all the way back. There. And then now there's this gorgeous stripe right here at the bottom. So probably in the center, about right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and drag a curve all the way across. And right here, about this thick, just drag it all the way across. So we have a nice little band for our panda. And when you're coloring it, you can come in here with some cheeks or pink cheeks. And it wouldn't be complete without a heart, right? Because it is a Draw So Cute Panda from Squishmallows right there. So there's a lot of different colors. I've seen red, black, and that beautiful blue that I'm going to make this one. So it's all up to you how you want to color it. Thanks so much for watching. If you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.